Happy New Year and welcome to the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. Two exciting announcements for the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV as Winnebago debuts the return of the Winnebago Vita and Winnebago Porto Class C touring coaches on the Mercedes-Benz VS30 chassis. The 24P floor plan will have the full wall slide out with the Murphy bed and oversized dinette or home theater option, standard with full body premium automotive paint, standard with automatic hydraulic leveling, and you can save up to $26,500 compared to the cost of a Winnebago View or Winnebago Navion. We expect to receive our first Winnebago Vitas and Portos roughly in that March timeframe. Also, now cleared for recall, we have all of our Winnebago Revels available for immediate delivery in all 3 colors. So 2 exciting announcements for the month of January here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, I'm Cody Likey, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. We are excited to introduce an exclusive Lichtsinn RV installed Revel package, which provides additional power, additional living space, and additional storage space in the already dynamic Winnebago Revel 4x4. The Lichtsinn Storage and Power Package, referred to as the LSP package, combines the GLSS system by Canyon Adventure Vans with an additional 320 amp hour lithium-ion battery. The additional battery, when paired with the Revel standard 320 amp hour battery, provides a total of 8,266 watt hours. In addition, 2 rear power switches will be installed so that you can easily turn off either battery individually. The lounge area GLSS system creates another livable space and storage area inside your Revel. The system includes proper ventilation gaps to ensure your Revel batteries have sufficient ventilation throughout the bench seat area. It includes a lagoon mount and table for a flexible addition for a secondary dining or work surface, and it fits perfectly inside the Revel's gear garage. The system is lightweight and durable, made with 80/20 aluminum. The cushions are marine grade, so they will hold up to whatever your Revel adventures have in store. Add the Lichtsinn Storage and Power Package to turn your Revel garage into the ultimate power and storage area. A certified Lichtsinn RV RVTI certified technician will install the exclusive LSP package for you. Contact a Lichtsinn RV sales or service consultant for additional details on the exclusive LSP Revel package.
Hi, I'm Abby Neiman, RV sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV. Don't let the size fool you. The Winnebago Revel is measured at 19 feet 7 inches in length, but for those that want to blaze their own trail, the Winnebago Revel is waiting. The Winnebago Revel is built on the Mercedes-Benz VS30 diesel chassis, including on-demand 4-wheel drive with high-low range and electronic stability and traction control. And that is just the beginning of what makes the Winnebago Revel an ideal adventure vehicle. The Winnebago Revel also includes optional performance wheels and BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, a 320 amp hour lithium-ion battery with a dedicated second alternator to charge the system that is expandable with a second Lichtsinn RV installed 320 amp hour battery, increasing the Revel's total watt hours to 8,266. A state of charge battery management system that can be controlled via an app, so you don't need to be inside the Revel to control it. A 2,000 watt inverter providing whole coach electric service. 2 solar panels, one 115 watt and one 100 watt, providing 215 watts of solar total. Additional solar can be added as the solar controller can handle up to 450 watts. Easy to clean heavy duty vinyl flooring. A large gear garage with removable cargo tie downs to secure your gear. A swiveling cassette toilet. This portable black tank allows you to dispose of its contents virtually anywhere, including public restrooms, so you're not limited to dumping at a campground dump station. An additional cassette can be purchased as well. Or you can make it your own. Here are just some examples of items that we have added to the Winnebago Revel for our guests to make it uniquely theirs. Ski racks, bike racks, rear tire mounts, bumpers, light bars, additional solar, a rear door box storage, the LSP storage and power package Cody discussed earlier. Enjoy the road less traveled in the Winnebago Revel. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant to find out more about the Winnebago Revel.
You may be thinking, I don't live in Iowa. Isn't it complicated to buy an RV outside of my home state? The answer, quite frankly, is no. At Lichtsinn RV, we help guests throughout the country fulfill their dream of owning an RV. Our team is well versed in the unique requirements of different states and help you throughout your registration process to make it as simple as possible. You always pay the tax and license fees in your home state, and there are no additional fees to purchase your RV in Iowa. Day in and day out, our team helps guests across the country and Canada with titling their RV purchased from Lichtsinn RV. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV consultant to find out more about how we can make your out-of-state Winnebago purchase easy.
And that's the month of January at Lichtsinn RV. We wish you continued and safe travels throughout 2023.